Private water and wastewater companies. Arizona Corporation Commission, ACC. Private water and wastewater companies in Arizona are regulated primarily by the Arizona Corporation Commission, ACC, and the Arizona Department of Environmental Quality, ADEQ. The ACC oversees the financial and operational aspects of utility companies, ensuring that services are provided safely, reliably, and at fair rates. Meanwhile, ADEQ monitors the environmental and health-related aspects of water and wastewater systems. Under AAC, R142405, property owners served by a private utility must grant a utility easement to the water or wastewater company. This easement allows access for the installation, maintenance, and repair of infrastructure, such as water lines, sewer lines, and meters. Without such an easement, the utility cannot guarantee continuous service or legal access to the system. The rule ensures that both the property owner and the utility provider have clear rights and responsibilities. Arizona Department of Environmental Quality, ADEQ, regulates water quality, wastewater treatment, and environmental compliance across the state. It enforces environmental laws, issues permits for facilities, and monitors compliance with both state and federal water standards. Under AAC, R18-9-1001-34, an on-site wastewater facility system is defined as a facility that treats sewage or gray water on the property where it is generated. This includes conventional septic systems and alternative systems, such as drip irrigation, aerobic treatment units, or constructed wetlands. Conventional systems typically use a septic tank and leach field, while alternative systems are used when soil or site conditions prevent conventional installation. AAC R18-9-A315 governs the transfer of ownership of on-site wastewater systems. When a property is sold, the seller must provide the buyer with information about the system and complete an inspection within 6 months prior to the sale. Under AAC R18-9-A316, if the property is being resold, the same procedures apply. The inspection ensures that the system functions properly, prevents contamination, and identifies maintenance or repair needs before transfer. If a septic system is no longer in use, AAC R18-9-A309D requires the discontinuation of use to be managed properly. The tank must be pumped, cleaned, and filled with sand or gravel to prevent collapse or contamination. This protects groundwater and prevents environmental hazards. Cesspools, which are simple underground pits for waste disposal, have been banned in Arizona since 1970 due to groundwater contamination risks. According to EPA Gov and AAC R18-9-A3094, cesspools are not allowable because they discharge untreated wastewater directly into the ground, posing severe health and environmental risks. The Water Quality Assurance Revolving Fund, WQRF, under ARS, Paragraph 49-282, is a state-managed program administered by ADEQ. WQRF identifies, investigates, and cleans up contaminated soil and groundwater sites throughout Arizona. It functions similarly to the federal Superfund program, providing state-level oversight for pollution remediation. The fund is financed through fees, taxes, and responsible party contributions. Superfund sites, as defined by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and managed by ADEQ in Arizona, are areas contaminated with hazardous substances that require long-term cleanup under the Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation, and Liability Act, CERCLA. ADEQ works with the EPA to monitor cleanup progress and ensure remediation meets public safety and environmental standards. Arizona wetlands are critical ecosystems that support wildlife, control flooding, and filter water. They include marshes, riparian zones, and seasonal floodplains. Wetlands are regulated under the ADEQ 401 Water Quality Certification Program, which enforces compliance with Section 401 of the Federal Clean Water Act. Any project that discharges into navigable waters or adjacent wetlands must obtain ADEQ certification to ensure it does not degrade water quality or harm aquatic habitats. Together, these rules ensure that Arizona's water and wastewater systems operate safely and sustainably, protecting public health, groundwater quality, and environmental integrity across urban and rural communities.